if you want to connect your wireless earbuds to your Samsung Galaxy A36, well, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, we have to open up our settings. Now find your connections tab is the first one. Now find your Bluetooth, and if it was turned on, let's turn it off and turn it back on. Just it works better like this. Now grab your earbuds, and we have to put them into our pairing mode. So this process depends. It can be just it can be put in pairing mode just by taking them out, as this do. Some headphones require more movements. So here we are. Now let's press scan and wait until our phone will detect our earbuds. Here they are in our available devices list. Let's tap on them. They're pairing. All right, and now we have to press pair, and there we are. Now we are paired. Easy as that. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.